So welcome guys, we are going to see our next program which is actually about the matrix, and in this program we are going to multiply we are going to find the transpose of a matrix. The inputs we are going to give, we can give any number as an input within the given condition, that is the 3 cross 3 matrix or 2 cross 2 matrix. Here we are going to find the transpose of a matrix of a 3 cross 3 matrix. As usual, we are including the IO stream files and the standard library elements, and we are going moving to the main function. Now in here we are going, here we are declaring a array. Array is the main concept that is used like a multiplication of a tables and like transpose and matrix. So here we are going to create a two int a, 2, this one 2 and 2, and trans 2 and 2, and we are also creating integer type variables r, c, I and g. Now we are going to let the user to give the inputs so that we can store that in R. So we are using these two lines, that is cout enter rows and columns. Now the user enters the data, and that stores, that will be stored in the variable called R. Now again we are going to enter the here we are going to decide the number of size of the matrix, that is 2 cross 2 matrix or 3 cross 2 matrix, something like that. And now we are going, the next line we are going to get the information about the elements of the matrix, that is the numbers of the matrix. So here we are going to see, we are giving for loop, we have, because every matrix has I and j, so we are initiating I equal to 0, I less than r, I plus plus. R is the number of rows and rows that entered by the user, and c is the, which is entered by the user for columns, number of columns. So we are giving condition for that. So we need 0 to r, number of elements. See out now, enter element a sim. Okay, now we are getting the element each by elements, and finally showing the entered elements. Here we are giving for loop for that. So again we are going to get the cout in a double quote, and we are also using a if condition to check whether not to check, but if that condition is true, print this. So we are going to, we are using the if condition here. Next, for I equal to 0, again we are using a for loop for transpose of the matrix. Then finally we are giving the formula for transpose of the matrix, that is the required condition for the transpose of a matrix. So that's all about our program. So we are going to return we are not going to return anything from this program. So return 0 is given. So let's run and see this program. So build and run. Okay, enter number of rows and columns, let's say 2 cross 2 matrix. Okay, enter elements of the matrix a11, so we will give 2, 3, 4 and 5, and give enter. The entered matrix 2, 3, 4, 5, and the transpose of the matrix is just transpose as rotator. So that's all guys, we got the output. Hope you enjoyed today. See you all in the next program. Thank you.